A custom camper like no other, built single-handedly with little knowledge and a little too much DIY ambition. In the first 2 episodes of the Pop Top Builder series, a custom-fit pop-up camper was spec'd and shaped around a vintage Jeep Cherokee. A last few skim coats and spot correction meant it was time to wrap up shaping and work towards a mirror finished plug to replicate. What should have been an in-stage to prep work, not expecting some major setbacks to come. Prime and shine. I picked up a gallon of high-build urethane primer and laid down a thick few coats to reveal any last areas of attention. This stage of the build is nothing more than automotive primer and paint work. The high build primer would allow for any last distortions to be revealed and sanded out to bring a new level of detail. The high build urethane went on well, even with a $20 spray gun. Unlike auto body, however, cutting and polishing can't be put off until later. Whatever the fiberglass mold is cast around is a done deal. You need a show car finish from the get-go. Hence, priming, block sanding, and repeating. A quick guide coat revealed remaining low spots that would be knocked down in sanding, reprimed as needed, and proven true and square. I smoothed everything down again with a sanding board and gave a bit more work to the cross channels and curves. Then, went ahead and sprayed a final few coats and transitioned into wet sanding. At this point, a final top coat was sprayed. Gloss black would reveal any last oddities to be spotted. I caught and fixed another set of minor defects and went to work polishing. Some of the biggest issues, those that can derail an entire fiberglass project, come from incompatible materials and chemicals. I knew it was crucial at this point to only use clearly marked silicone-free cutting compound, but still found trouble ahead with the mold release process. You see, think of all of this work as a nice home-cooked tray of biscuits. You forget to butter the pan, you'll be putting up a fight. Mess up the mold release, and you'll likely have to throw away the entire mold and plug, as they're burned in together. If it doesn't say it's silicone-free right on the container, don't believe for a second that it is. Anyhow, went through another process of gradually finer wet sanding, your typical automotive paint correction, and then hit everything with the buffer and polishing compound one last time. A perfect mirror surface. Look at that shine. This was a happy stopping point and left me feeling quite confident moving forward. Little did I know, a good majority of this polishing and perfecting could soon be ruined. You'll have to tune into the next part of the series for that story.